The city of Altamont Springs and XL 1067 are excited to welcome everyone back for another year of great entertainment, memorable moments, and a fireworks show that will light up the night. As the sky sparkles over Crane's Roost Park, enjoy a timeless selection of everyone's favorite tunes, including the best of today's hits and yesterday's classics.
What's going on, guys? Right now I'm on my way to Orlando's biggest fireworks show. That's right, guys, Orlando's biggest fireworks show called Red Hot and Boom. I'm on my way to Red Hot and Boom. Traffic is normally intense, so I'll show you guys some of the traffic on my way there, so stay tuned for that, guys. So I just arrived in the mall parking lot and there was no traffic, and there's a lot of parkings left, man. I think ever since like all the massive shooting, people stopped going out. I'm gonna show you guys right now. There's like a lot of, like, before when I used to come here like 6-7 years ago, you cannot find any parking. But I'm over here in the parking. There's so many parkings next to me, in front of me, everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Just look at all these parkings, guys. 6 years ago, 5 years ago, this was crowded. Like, you could even park here. But I think ever since the massive shooting, it slowed down. So this is what it looks like now. Much parking is out here, man. It's crazy. Like, the world really has changed, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Look at that, there's parking everywhere. Like before, people would camp out here with their kids, wife, husband, you name it. Like, there's so much parking. I could have parked further down, but I like to park closer. In case something happens, I can make it. So yeah. So I decided to walk on the sidewalk next to the street. There's cops everywhere. Every inch, every block. Everywhere you go, there's cops. So guys, this is Altamont Springs, guys. Altamont Springs. Give you a little tour guide. Altamont Springs. Oh yeah, this little ledge right here. Oh, there's some wildlife in here somewhere. This is not Red Hot Boom. Just showing you guys a little bit of Altamont Springs in Orlando. I'm surprised it's not raining today. Normally it's raining during Red Hot and Boom. There's airplanes flying above Red Hot and Boom. Always airplanes flying. I just talked to two people that grew up here and they used to go to Red Hot and Boom. They just went home early in case anything goes down. But they said the same thing I said. They feel like a lot of people fear about the massive shootings that's been happening, so they stopped coming. Hey, I don't blame them, you know what I'm saying? Especially if there's gonna be, they're expecting 250,000 people. So I guess a lot of people stayed home. Well guys, welcome to Red Hot and Boom. Like I said, cops everywhere. This is Altamont Springs, where it all happens. I guess they're checking everybody in this time because, you know, because of the mass shootings. So you got to go check in. And then we could walk. There's cops right there. A lot of people walking on that bridge. Check-in's right there. The line is super long, I heard. I'm about to go check it out. And the line is crazy. You see the line, guys? That's how long the line is, so I got to wait. The line right now. Look at the line. Look how long this is. This is intense. The line actually wasn't that bad. So I'm in right now. We're inside, guys. Biggest fireworks show in Orlando. Let's get it. Yo, there's people everywhere, man. Everywhere around me. There's food trucks. Anything you need. Drinks. Everything. You know? So many people out here, man. It's crazy. So many people. Boom. So this is where the fireworks will go off. Right there in the middle. Back out here. Red Hot and Boom. It's probably the busiest spot right here. Crazy busy. Lemonades here, hot dogs, more people walking by. So in order to get a shaved icy or lemonade, you had to purchase these tickets for $7. That's right, guys, $7 just to get a shaved icy. I thought it was ridiculous, but I was hot, so I wanted to try it out, so I gave it a shot. Be good. Blue raspberry cone right here. Served. Told me it's the best one, so we're gonna try it out.
So, you can get smoke.
No, it's okay. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Blue raspberry cone, y'all. Let's give it a shot. Got a blue raspberry cone. Let's give it a shot. It's pretty good. It's refreshing.
Wait, actually, before I do it.
It was worth it. $7. Got XL 106.7 out here, over there. Got the radio out here. Looks like it's about to rain in a little bit, but there's still a lot of people out here. 6.7's out here. There they are. She's on the radio right now. So here's some more of the firework right here in the middle. There's another one right there. This is where they will go off. All of Altamont Springs. This is called Cranfuse Park. It's heading. Just started raining, yo. It's about to start pouring out here. crazy.
Lying on the ground, alone, even for you. Paranoid, you're in my head, you're in my blood. When I'm dead, you'll probably dig my grave up too. My stupid heart was in your hands. You use me like your sins. Then you stop me out when you check the fans. Then one back. I'd say I should've known. I should've known better than you're that sour. But how could I have known behind your play code? Your words were made of dagger. Hate me in 15. I'm so over it. Yeah, you're so full of everything you do, and I'm so over it. And I'm so over it. You put me in a heart-shaped box. Now you only ever call me when you're high. You know you were never mine. Now I do something about you in my mind. So what if we broke up? I don't ever think about you, but the worst thing that you ever did.
Just told everybody to take cover because it's about to storm. They're evacuating everybody right now. Seek shelter because there's gonna be a mean storm right now. So stay tuned, guys. I might stay for the fireworks. I don't know yet, but I'll let you guys know.
1 hour later.
Las espero aquí, mira. Ok, no, yo las espero aquí. No me voy a mover de aquí. Ahí está mi cel.
So we're still waiting. Show is still on hold because severe thunderstorm. Everybody's waiting right now. Fireworks supposed to go off at 9:30. For about 30 minutes, so stay tuned. Show is back on. Everybody's screaming. It's about to start again.
Are you guys ready to keep rocking? And their bones and I feel like I'm talking so much, I don't say enough. Guess I'm annoying, sitting at home, my paranoia, but I really adore ya. Thank you guys for having me.
I can't help it how I feel as if you played on the back of my eyes. I don't miss you, I just think about you all the time.
With me and just get all the way into your feelings, I highly encourage that. We're going to make the most of this moment together because this is my last song. It's been a pleasure to meet all of you here in Central Florida. This is my first time playing here, so thanks for being so friendly. I think you're being friendly. I can't really tell because it's just a blur of rain. But all my love to you. My name's JP Sachs. Let's have fun with this one.
I was distracted and in traffic. I didn't feel it when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. Were you out drinking? Were you in the living room chilling, watching TV? Scott before I could hold you tight. There wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right?
For this last chorus, it'd be a moment. Like, I know they got a whole schedule that they have to get to, but imagine, like, last chorus. If the world was ending, you come, boom! Wouldn't that be cool? Just imagine it in your mind. That's what's going to happen emotionally for all of us in this. Okay.
I know you know, it's fine. But if the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over and you stay the night. You love me for the hell of it. All our fears would be irrelevant.
Friends, all my love to you. My name's JP Sachs. Enjoy the fireworks.
Here we go. Let's do this, y'all. We'll be out of the way so you can see it. The rain is it's not gonna stop the fireworks. Let's get it started.
Don't forget fireworks coming up right after the fireworks.
The city of Altamont Springs and XL 1067 are excited to welcome everyone back for another year of great entertainment, memorable moments, and a fireworks show that will light up the night. As the sky sparkles over Crane's Roost Park, enjoy a timeless selection of everyone's favorite tunes, including the best of today's hits and yesterday's classics, while we celebrate America's birthday in style. As we commemorate 247 years of American independence, we remember our nation's inspiring heroes and honor the individuals who bravely served our nation's freedom.
lives we live in, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, when I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, as the leaves turn brown. When I met you in the summer.
Guys, that was it. This is Red Hot Boom. This is the end. This is what you get at Red Hot Boom. Until next time, yo. Peace out. Red Hot Boom.